Hello everybody. Today I want to share with you my Echeveria. It has bloomed. I'm in my son's room. Not pretty neat, but yeah, well, that's a different story. And here's the bloom. Here's my lovely plant and the bloom. Isn't it beautiful? These tiny little blooms. Such a lovely plant. I believe this is the first time it has bloomed for me for how many years that I've had this plant. I don't remember this plant blooming for me. They're so cute and beautiful. They're small. As you can see, they are small. I don't know if you can see inside of it, but yeah, pretty nice little flowers. That's about it. It's just a short video. I hope you like this tiny little video. It's a very easy plant to care for as long as it's in front of the sunny window, and it survives just fine. I don't water it unless it's really dry. Really dry. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.